Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly what I eat in a day as a fat foot girl that wants to build some muscle. Let's go. Remember that I eat these things because I do enjoy eating these things, so if you don't like any of this, you don't have to. I'm going to explain to you why I'm eating this way. I've got a heavy leg day today, so I want to have all the energy, but before that I need to do work. So I've got a lot of clients check-ins this morning. That's why I'm choosing to eat oats. Low releasing form of carbs, which is going to keep me full for longer, and I need to have all the energy for the session. So I'm going to have 40 grams of oats together with some powdered peanut butter. If you like me, like peanut butter but don't want to ingurgitate 200 calories every time you have a little spoon, I highly suggest you go and grab this. I'm going to pop the link in the bio so you can go and find it. And remember, in the bio you can also find my free TDEE calculator. So if you have no idea what you need to eat to reach your goals, use that. It's going to give you all the info you need to get started. Then I'm going to have a coffee. I always have a cappuccino. That's personally what I like. Yes, it does contain about like 70 calories, but in my opinion, totally worth it. My morning is not the same without cappuccino. I like cow milk. I usually use either low fat or fat-free cow milk. Once again, that's what I prefer. If you like oat milk, coconut milk, go ahead. I just prefer this. I've tried all the other milks. I do not like them as much. This will be my breakfast, nice and easy. I already had a piece of toast just because I'm on antibiotics, so I had to be up at like 6 AM just to take the antibiotics. But on here we have 250 calories, 12 grams of protein, pretty low, but remember before training we want to prioritize carbs. And then we have 30 grams of carbs and 6 grams of fat. If you're training straight after you eat, you want to be eating fast digesting carbs such as bread, honey, bagels, rice cakes, all things that won't be in your stomach for long. Let's go and cook this breakfast. My oats are ready. I'm now gonna take creatine. I always take 3 to 5 grams every single morning. Ideally you want to take it after training, but I won't be home after I train. I want to make sure that I don't forget about it today, so I am gonna take it now. To be fair guys, as you've seen, very simple 5-minute breakfast. I've got a ton of work to do right now, so I'm gonna go sit at my desk, do my check-ins for about 2 hours, and then we're gonna head to the gym. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be having for lunch and dinner. Time to drink my creatine, eat my porridge, and work. I'm with Anna. We just finished training, so it's time to pick up some lunch, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get. I have a meal prepped. You can get good food even if you just get something that's ready. So I'm gonna show you my meal in a second. They have all these ready meals, and I am gonna go for this one today. So chicken, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. A lot of protein, some carbs, some broccoli for macros, and of course some fat. Forgot to mention that I had a coffee. This is a Spanish latte. I have no idea how many calories are in there, probably about 100, 150. For the rest of the afternoon, I'm not gonna have any more food. I'm just here, we're just working. I'm gonna show you what I have after paddle. Probably be a lot of protein, some carbs, and a little bit of fat as always. But I'm actually not eating before paddle just because I am still very full. So no need for extra food for me. And to be fair, I'm not that good at paddle, so I won't move that much. We're back from paddle. It was actually a very good game. I think I have improved a tiny bit. And now it's time to cook dinner. So what do we have? Our protein of choice today is salmon. If you don't take omega-3, I always recommend having at least 2 portions of fatty fish every single week. If you can't, just get omega-3 in like capsules. And then we've got courgettes for our veggies, and our carbs will be potatoes. The salmon, apart from protein, also contains some healthy fat, which is amazing. And then I'm gonna use olive oil as a condiment. Remember, weigh your oils, especially if you're trying to control your calories. Oil is so calorie dense, so just remember to weigh it up every single time. As always, after dinner I'm gonna have my dessert, which is an ice cream. You can include your favorite foods even if you're trying to lose fat. It's totally fine. I'm not actually trying to lose fat right now, but anyways, I want to stay within my calories, and I always make sure that I leave about 200 calories in the evening for a cornetto. It makes me happy, so do what makes you happy. What is actually gonna help you stay on track. Anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna let you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.